Ever wondered how to make a quick and delicious beef stir-fry? Today, we're going to make a delicious and quick beef stir-fry using stew meat. This is a fantastic way to savor the tenderness of stew meat, but with a twist. Not only does it offer a medley of flavors, but it's also a quick and easy dish to whip up. Perfect for a midweek dinner or a weekend feast. So, let's dive in. Begin by slicing the stew meat into thin strips. Slicing against the grain will ensure tenderness in every bite. Season the sliced meat with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Our journey to a flavorful beef stir-fry starts with proper seasoning. The salt and pepper bring out the natural flavors of the beef, while the garlic powder adds a layer of complexity that will make your stir-fry stand out. But don't stop there. Feel free to add your favorite spices or marinades to make the dish truly your own. Now it's time to turn up the heat. Grab a large skillet or wok and place it over a medium-high flame. Once the pan is hot, add a splash of oil. Choose a high-heat oil like canola or grapeseed to ensure your meat doesn't stick to the pan. With your oil sizzling, it's time to introduce the star of our show, the seasoned meat. Add the slices in a single layer, taking care not to overcrowd the pan. Overcrowding can lead to the meat steaming rather than searing, and we want that beautiful caramelization for a deep, rich flavor. As the meat cooks, you'll see it start to brown. This is the Maillard reaction at work, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. It's a little bit of science in your skillet. Keep an eye on your meat. It's important not to overcook it, as this can make it tough. Once it's browned on all sides, it's time to take it out of the skillet. Leaving it in too long can dry it out, and we want our beef to be tender and juicy. Cook the meat until it's nicely browned on all sides, then remove it from the skillet and set it aside. And there we have it. Our meat is beautifully seared, seasoned to perfection, and ready to be combined with our other ingredients in the next steps of our beef stir-fry journey. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of vibrant vegetables and tantalizing sauces. In the same skillet, add your favorite vegetables. This is where you can truly personalize your stir-fry. Today, we're using a vibrant mix of bell peppers, onions, and broccoli. But feel free to experiment with other vegetables you might have on hand. Think carrots, snow peas, or even some baby corn. The more colorful, the better, as each vegetable not only brings its unique flavor, but also a bundle of nutrients to the table. As you add your vegetables into the skillet, make sure to keep the heat at medium-high. This will ensure that your veggies get a nice sear without losing their crunch. The trick is to keep them tender crisp. That's the perfect balance between cooked yet crunchy, which is the essence of a good stir-fry. Remember, we're not aiming for mushy vegetables here. Now let's talk about timing. Some vegetables take longer to cook than others. For instance, broccoli and bell peppers need a bit more time compared to onions. So, add your vegetables in stages, starting with the ones that take longer to cook. This way, all your vegetables will be perfectly cooked at the same time. Once your vegetables are in the skillet, keep them moving. Toss them around, let them dance in the heat. This constant motion is what gives stir-fried vegetables their distinct charred flavor. Don't be afraid to get a little aggressive with your stirring. After all, it's called a stir-fry for a reason. As your vegetables turn tender crisp, it's time to invite the meat back into the skillet. This reunion of the meat and vegetables is what makes a stir-fry truly harmonious. The meat, with its robust flavor, marries beautifully with the freshness of the vegetables, creating a symphony of flavors that's hard to resist. Sauté the vegetables until they're tender crisp, then return the cooked meat to the skillet, stirring to combine everything evenly. There you have it, the heart of your stir-fry, ready for the next step, the sauce. Now, for the final touch, pour in a flavorful sauce made with soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, and a splash of rice vinegar. This sauce is going to give your stir-fry a deliciously savory, slightly sweet and tangy flavor that really complements the beef and veggies. The sauce is simple to prepare. In a small bowl, start by mixing together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This will give our dish that rich, salty and umami flavor. Next, add in a tablespoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil has a unique flavor that's going to add a nutty and aromatic touch to our stir-fry. Then, to balance out the saltiness, stir in a tablespoon of honey. The honey will provide a lovely sweetness that complements the savory components of the dish. And finally, for a bit of tanginess, add in a splash of rice vinegar. The vinegar helps to brighten the flavors and adds a bit of acidity to the dish. Once your sauce is well mixed, it's time to add it to your stir fry. Drizzle the sauce over the cooked meat and vegetables in the skillet. Now this is where the magic happens. As you stir everything together, the sauce will start to heat up, thickening slightly and coating every piece of meat and vegetable with its delicious flavors. Don't rush this part. Take your time to stir the stir fry gently, making sure every piece gets some of the sauce. You'll notice the sauce starting to bubble and thicken. This is a good sign. It means your sauce is reducing and concentrating in flavor. Keep stirring until you notice the sauce has thickened slightly and evenly coats the meat and vegetables. The final result should be a glossy, flavorful stir fry where every bite is bursting with the flavors of soy, sesame, honey, and vinegar. Stir everything together until the sauce thickens slightly and coats the meat and vegetables evenly. And there you have it. The secret to a delicious, flavorful beef stir fry is all in the sauce. Garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onions for a beautiful presentation and added crunch. The sesame seeds lend a slight nuttiness that complements the savory stir fry perfectly, while the green onions add a pop of color and a fresh, sharp flavor that cuts through the richness of the dish. A sprinkle of both on top, and our beef stir fry transforms from a simple home-style dish into a gourmet meal. But we're not done just yet. The best part about this beef stir fry is its versatility. It's a standalone dish that's hearty and filling, but it also pairs incredibly well with a range of sides. Consider serving it over a bed of fluffy steamed rice. The grains soak up all the delicious sauce, ensuring that no flavor is wasted. Plus, the soft texture of the rice provides a wonderful contrast to the tender, crisp vegetables and the succulent beef. If you're more of a noodle person, the beef stir fry works beautifully with that too. Whether it's egg noodles, rice noodles, or even spaghetti, the stir fry will mingle with the strands, creating a delightful interplay of textures and flavors in every mouthful. But don't limit yourself to just rice and noodles. Quinoa, couscous, or a side of steamed vegetables could work just as well. The possibilities are endless, and the choice is all yours. So go ahead, plate up this beef stir fry in your own unique way. Serve it on a warm platter or in a deep dish over rice or noodles, or alongside your favorite side. Watch as the vibrant colors and the mouth-watering aroma draw everyone to the table. And there it is. A dish that's not just a meal, but an experience. A medley of flavors and textures, a balance of nutrition and taste, a testament to the magic that simple, fresh ingredients can create when they come together in a pan. Serve your beef stir-fry hot over steamed rice or noodles for a satisfying meal. And as you dig into this dish, remember, good food isn't just about eating, it's about celebrating, sharing, and savoring every bite. And there you have it, a mouth-watering beef stir-fry using stew meat. This quick and easy dish is a fantastic way to enjoy the tenderness of stew meat in a different style, coupled with the crunch and nutrition of your favorite vegetables. Sliced bell peppers, onions, and broccoli have added a burst of color and flavor, and the umami-rich sauce has coated everything to perfection. Just look at that steam rising, inviting you to take a bite. The beauty of this dish is its versatility. Whether you choose to serve it over steaming hot rice or al dente noodles, it's sure to be a hit. And why stop at these vegetables? Feel free to experiment with others like mushrooms, baby corn, or snow peas. The same goes for the sauce. Add a dash of chili flakes or a spoonful of peanut butter for a different twist. Remember, cooking is all about personalizing to your taste and having fun in the process. Each ingredient, each step is a building block to creating a meal that not only satiates your hunger, but also brings joy. So, don't hesitate to roll up those sleeves, heat up that skillet, and stir-fry your way to a delicious meal. And before we sign off, here's someone taking a forkful of the dish. Just look at that perfect blend of meat and veggies, coated in that glossy, flavorful sauce. That's a bite worth savoring. Enjoy your beef stir-fry. As we draw to the end of this fascinating gastronomical journey, we'd like to propose a tiny request. Should you have enjoyed this video and are keen to savor more such delectable recipes, we urge you to join our food-loving community by clicking on the subscribe button. It's right there, just a click away. Make sure to also take a moment and admire our lively channel logo, your portal to a universe of culinary delights awaiting discovery. Our channel serves as a veritable feast of recipes, designed to cater to diverse taste buds. Whether you're a beginner venturing into the realm of cooking, or an experienced chef in search of novel culinary inspirations, we guarantee you, we've got something to please everyone. Join our burgeoning community of food aficionados, share your kitchen tales, and together, let's make cooking a joy-filled voyage. Keep an eye out for more tantalizing recipes that will add a dash of excitement to your everyday meals. Remember, your kitchen is your uncharted territory, and you, dear viewer, are the explorer. So, step forth, try out new things, invent and concoct culinary gems that not only gratify your taste buds but also nourish your soul. Make sure to keep your chef hats ready as we promise to return with more. Until, keep the stove burning, keep innovating, and most importantly, savor every meal down to its last morsel. Bon appetit! And hey, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and strengthen our vibrant, food-loving community. Our logo, your passport to the realm of flavors, is just a click away. Your culinary adventure beckons. And now, as we wrap up this video, we present our animated logo, blossoming right at the screen's corner. Click on it, subscribe, and let's continue this food journey together.